Hello everybody and welcome to another DCME tutorial. In today's tutorial we are going to show you the medication repeat reminder. So this functionality has been implemented to avoid scenarios where, for example, you might order or request medication for your service users, and it avoids a scenario where your carers might go out to give the service users their medication. They forgot to report to the office that the medication is running low and the medication's run out. And then you have to then contact the GP or contact the pharmacies to try and prescribe more medication, which will then cause a delay in the service users having their medication. So how we do this, it's very simple. We go to the service users and we go to medication and we select the medication and we click medication repeat reminder. All we do is say, for example, this medication is delivered on a weekly basis. The next delivery has come in today. We would expect the new medication to be delivered before a week's time, before this current medication runs out, which would run out on the 16th. So what we do, we select the medication repeat frequency. So we can select, for example, 1 week. And we would click submit. We also need to make sure our email alert setting has been added. So we want to put in here the requested email address that we want to receive those alerts. And what will happen in this scenario is 4 days before that medication is due to run out, the nominated email address will receive an email reminder to say this medication is due to expire or run out. Can you look into it? And then 1 day again before the medication is due to run out, you will receive another reminder. This will then should prompt your office just to make sure that the medication is going to be delivered on time. So we hope this functionality will help to avoid a scenario where the service users run out of their medication, and it just helps you keep in communication with the GPs should you need to contact them to re-prescribe medication. Thank you again. DCME, Domiciliary Care Made Easier.